Engine cooling system. An engine cooling system regulates combustion temperatures typically 180 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent overheating, damage, and inefficiency. It uses a liquid coolant, a mixture of water, ethylene glycol, and rust inhibitors circulated by a water pump through engine jackets to absorb heat, which is then dissipated to the air via a radiator. Components and functions. Water pump. An impeller-driven pump, typically powered by a belt from the crankshaft, that forces coolant through the engine. Radiator. A heat exchanger at the front of the vehicle that allows hot coolant to flow through small channels, releasing heat into the air. Thermostat. A valve that regulates engine temperature, staying closed during startup to allow quick heating and opening, 180 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit, to allow cooling. Coolant. A mixture of water, antifreeze, and anti-corrosion agents that prevents freezing, rust, and overheating. Radiator cap. Maintains system pressure to raise the boiling point of the coolant. Expansion/overflow tank. Stores excess coolant during thermal expansion, preventing leaks. Cooling fan. Draws air through the radiator when the vehicle is moving slowly or stopped. Heater core. A small radiator that uses hot coolant to provide heat to the vehicle's interior.